office. I feel like I've been deleted.
Sure thing, boss.
Listen, you have not been doing all the work for safety on board our trains. As a consequence, you're fired.
Oh, well, I'm sorry I've not been doing what you expected. I'm also sorry about my incalculable mistakes.
How dare the railroad fire Bettina Brewer? Those abdominal nonconformists will pay. Let's see if the airline will hire me to sabotage the El Tornado Express. My contract with the railroad is null and void.
So, you want me to hire you to foil the railroad so I can get more money?
I've got the cash on the table. Besides, the train crew has made up a bunch of low-paid oafs.
I'm in. Now let's formulate a plan.
Oh no, what am I gonna do?
Are you sure you heard that?
Yes, this is a crime being planned. We need to warn the railroad.
We have been warned. Look out for any suspicious behavior.
Sounds good. I'll check ahead of me for any track vandalism or something.
There's a train down there. Could a disaster be inevitable? They are on high alert. I hope not. Oh my gosh, the freight train and the westbound El Tornado Express are going to crash. We must take a quick unearring landing. What?
Where did that dogged train come from? Sam, jump!
We have to rummage through this to pry the engineer out.
We have to take the initiative to get him to a hospital quickly. The bomber almost made that burly engineer extinct.
Bomber!
The bomber. He used to work for the railroad but was fired. Now he's stealthily sabotaging our trains.
But the airline is in on it too.
We would need to prove that.
We need to end this distorted plan now.
Yes, Mr. Green. But you see, the bomber has been, attacking us. Alright, thank you.
Excuse me, could I buy a ticket, please?
Sure, that's $5. Do we believe that our posterity will remember the success of this train for a long time?
Definitely.
What? Please stay on the counter. What? Stop!
These fake orders will trick the engineers.
Hey, do you have an implement that... Oh my, what happened? Agent, can you hear me? Agent!
It was the bomber. All I remember is he jumped over the desk, then I felt frigid, and everything went ambiguously black.
You're getting a Morse code message right now.
Let's see. And the engineer says he was ordered to go onto the route to Plainville?
Wasn't there a bridge going under construction?
The bomber must have switched the orders when he knocked you out. He wanted the engineer to maneuver the Titanic-sized train into the river. I'll tell him to stop now.
I know the last one failed, but I have a better idea.
What subsequent plan should we do next?
You and I will plant a bomb in a passenger car. When it goes off, we will prevail. The media will make so many parodies about how unsafe the railroad is.
Sounds good, but we must act like sleuths.
Oh my gosh, what will we do?
Okay, here's good.
It's over, Mr. Bomber. Run! The bomber's running on the roof of the train car.
That day, the infamous railway bomber fell into a river when a train was crossing a bridge. He was never seen again.